Hey Pre-Prep. Well, it's Tuesday afternoon, I hope, and this afternoon we're going to be doing some topic work learning all about the Amazon rainforest. Now, you should have already watched a little film where the go-getters go off and discover a little bit about the Amazon rainforest, and in particular hunt for a little creature, a tree frog. Now, this afternoon I thought I'd tell you a little bit more about rainforests. So I brought a really exciting book all about our world. Now, I thought I'd show you our world first of all. Now, in the classroom we've got a globe, which is our sphere, which is our planet Earth. And this is a picture of it flat. Now, of course, our Earth isn't flat, it's a round ball shape. Now, we're going to be thinking about, here is us, tiny little country up there, look, England. And we're going to be thinking about the Amazon rainforest, which is all the way over here in South America. Now, if I lift this little flap, I love these flap books, it tells us a little bit about the rainforest, and it says here hundreds of thousands of different animals live in the Amazon rainforest. Now, it's quite a long way from us, and it looks quite different. Let's see if we can find some more information, shall we? Now, here's our book. Doesn't it look exciting? It's so green. There's lots and lots of trees in the rainforest. Now, rainforests are huge, thick forests that grow around the equator. Oh, that's a funny word. Well, the equator, if you can remember what our globe looks like, do you remember there's a black line that goes all the way around the middle? That's our equator. It's an imaginary line. It's not really there, but it's a line that goes around the middle of the Earth. And the Earth, planet Earth, is split into two parts. The northern hemisphere, which is up the top, and the southern hemisphere, which is down the bottom. And the equator goes right around the middle, a bit like a belt, all the way around the middle. And did you know, I had to look this up, but I discovered that it is nearly 25,000 miles long. Gosh, that is a long way. Right, well, let's see what it tells us about the rainforests. Well, they're home to thousands and thousands of different living things. I wonder if you can imagine, I'm going to give you a moment to have a think, some things that might live in the Amazon rainforest. Can you think of maybe 5 different things? That's tricky, isn't it? Have a little think. Well, all different kinds of things live in the tall trees. Now, let's have a little look. It says here, who has a long beak? Well, if you look really, really carefully, there's a creature hiding behind here. And if I lift the flap, it's these birds here. They're called toucans. Toucans pick berries that other birds can't reach. What else is hiding? Many rainforest creatures eat leaves and fruit. So let's see, it tells us a little bit about those. Well, there's lots of different creatures here. We've got howler monkeys. They screech. Sloths are very, very sleepy and lays about. But there's some jaguars here, look. This one's sharpening its claws on the bark. And it says here a little bit more about our tree frogs that the go-getters were searching for. It says tree frogs have bright skins that warn other animals not to eat them. I wonder if you can remember why that might be. See if you can find that out. That's something for you to investigate. Well, this afternoon I'd like you to, in your little rainforest books, which hopefully you should have all had, these little ones, you've decorated the front already, but on the inside, if you open it up, you've got 2 pages. Now, this afternoon we're going to be just doing this first page, and I'd like you to write about a tree frog. Now, you've got a lovely big space here that you can draw your tree frog and see what you can remember about a tree frog. You can write as many facts as you can. Now, on Friday we're going to be doing a show and share assembly, and you can all come along to that hopefully, and I want you to bring your little booklets along and so that you can show what you've done. Okay, have fun. Bye for now.